today we will cover two functions, max and min. So max is basically which gives us maximum value and min is to give us the minimum value. So let's see that practically. So I'll write maximum value and then max. So I'll apply it on annual salary. Check formula. Okay. So I can apply min as well, minimum value, and then we will see that in a pivot table min, and then again annual salary. Check formula. Okay. So now if we go to the pivot, so let me put maximum value and let me put minimum value as well. So which means in the salary, so maximum salary is 1,41,000 and minimum salary is 36,000, and we can see that as well. So let me sort it smallest to largest. So you can see 36,000 is the minimum and highest is 1,41,000. So that's it.